today we have a Roland XPS-10. I already removed the screws. It's just the screws underneath. So the fault on this unit is some keys are not working. So sometimes it may be the contact rubbers. Sometimes you may replace the contact rubbers and the keyboard works. Sometimes it may be the MK board and the contact rubbers. And sometimes may be the main board faulty, depending on the pattern of the keys which are not working. Mostly if it's A, all A across, or B, C, mostly it's a CPU issue. So now I just boot it on. Let's see which keys are not playing now. It's quite a lot. Just playing, not playing. So it's few keys which are not playing. So what I usually do with this, I will open it up like I did already, and I'll check the state or the condition of the contact rubbers. I'll check the condition of the MK boards, clean the unit. So let's see how the unit looks like in the inside. They've got very short cabling, so you must always be careful that you don't damage. As you can see, very short and also very short. So let's just move closer. Okay, I'm gonna move this just a bit further, so you can see, and the condition of the unit is not so good. The keys are held by some springs. We can see short springs and long springs. The short springs are for the black key, and the long springs are for the white keys. So let's just remove few and just inspect the contact rubbers. Okay, you can see the condition is quite bad. Let's just have a look. I think this just needs a clean. So after this, I've removed all the keys. Now I can just clean the MK board. So what I usually do also, as you can see, this they're quite dirty, the keys themselves. So what I do, I will soak them while I'm busy cleaning the MK. Then I'll just put them in a bucket with water and soap. Then they can be soaking. So I'll get a bucket like that, and I'll just put them in there. just to give them a bit of a soak. So we're gonna put the contact rubber back after we've cleaned them, the MK boards. Okay, so the contact rubbers are in. So let me go check up on the keys, see if they're dry, and then we can start putting them in. Okay, so now I'm just gonna separate the long springs and the short spring. The short springs are for the black keys, and the long springs are for the white keys. Just trying to get the right angle so you can see. Okay, let me turn this around. Now I can put the whites. Okay. All the keys intact. Let's see if we can put the unit together and test it. cable is quite short. I don't know why they did such a short cable. It makes it very, very awkward. Okay, let's switch on the unit. Our output. Okay, so I've put my power and my audio. I'm just trying to get this into a frame for all the keys so that you can see when I'm testing them. It seems the keys are playing fine. Okay, I am quite happy with the way it's playing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna close the unit and just give it a clean. So I'm done with this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like and do subscribe. Does do go a long way. So please subscribe or like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.